Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a lipstick, so let's get started. First, draw a line down. And another line here. A curve to the right. Again. Now just following with me. A curve to the right. A straight line out. And then connect the line. Now just follow it with me. Draw the lipstick here. And the detail. Two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mark. Now we have a lipstick. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.